How I have it configured is the bigger stuff, and the stuff that I don't use very often will go on this side, which is the deeper side. And over here, I'll put the stuff that I use all the time, quick and easy. Now, the reason why I have it configured that way is in the back of my truck, I have the extrusion rack and it has the nice flip up. I have to reach in to grab things. It's a lot more difficult for me to reach into this one than it is for me to reach into this one. This one has a nice shallow tray and I can just reach my stuff. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean about how it'll hold all of this stuff. This basket comes out nice and easy. I'll actually put this basket in a shopping cart when I go get my groceries. And as I walk around, I'll just throw everything in there, nice and easy. So I'm actually going to set it up like this so you can see just exactly how much room there is. Starting with 12 cans of your favorite drink. You could fit a whole size milk right here. I only bring a little one. We've got eggs. We've got mushrooms. Condiments. All these meats. I'll turn this around so you can see how it's all fitting in there. Cheese. Now this is a pretty small shop, right? If you're going with a bigger family or more multiple days, you can easily, as you can see, you can stack that meat way high. Lemon, all those other things. This will still fit in here. This will fit in here. This will still fit in here. Okay, so as you can see, it's stuffed to the top. Let's pop it open. I get to my vehicle, I put it inside. There you go. It all fits. And that's just the one side. On the other side here, we have a much more shallow tray. And as I mentioned before, what I like to do with this tray, I'll show you right now actually, is the quick and easy things. I want access to it right now. So things like cheese, I could just grab on the go. Yogurt, I could just grab a couple of spoonfuls. All of my lunch meats, I like to have that readily available. Condiments, so I could just make a quick sandwich on the go. When you get to camp, maybe you want some lemon water or a drink. Milk for coffees. I like to lay it down right there. And lastly, I like to keep a few drinks ready to go at all times. Now before I put this tray in, the eggs actually fit in this bottom section real easy. And eggs you only grab, you know, in the mornings, so I like to put that down there first. Maybe if I get some hams or sausages, I'll put that in next, and then the tray will go on top of that. Just like that. Folds, closes, no problem. The things like the steaks or the chicken, that goes in this one. You're only using it for dinner time, right? Lettuce goes in there, and that's it. That's how I have it configured. As you can see, everything fits nice and easy. Reaching the stuff that I want to grab quickly is much easier in this shallow tray than it is in the deeper tray. Now there is, you know, you can get a slide out and do all that. Might make it a little bit easier.